massive Puma pickups. I've just been doing them whilst we had Corona. I'm just gonna quickly run through what I've picked up. First pair is Puma RS-9.8 Space Whisper White and Peacoat. I actually bought these to go to the gym in. They actually kind of look ugly, horrible, but they actually are very comfortable and they look quite nice on foot, which will be in another video. So that's one of the pickups you can just see there. I've got another pickup, Puma RS-X3 White Whisper White, which is Whisper White is like a kind of off white which the other pair had, and you can just see the shoes there. There we go. So it's got all white, a bit of blue, then this kind of off-white color. I don't know if I'm a fan of it, but I did get these shoes real cheap and they will be just gym use. So it's good to have a bit of a few different pairs. And this one is actually my favorite one, RS-X Puzzle. And I'm not going to read the color because you'll see they've got all the colors on it. This is actually got black, white, the bit of the Whisper White, yellow, red, blue. This is actually quite a childish shoe. I think like something kids will probably wear or something. But I bought these because I really like these. I still don't know what I'm gonna wear them with. We'll just see what I wear them with. Probably with a tracksuit, grey tracksuit, black tracksuit. Just want them to stand out. It's got a little bit of mesh there, leather. So it's got like every material: suede, nubuck, this kind of leather that's not even leather. But yeah, that's my quick pickups. I'll do all of these on foot in separate videos for everyone to see.